Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
This guide shows how to stop the essential recorder on Nothing Phone 3A. Open Settings, then tap Apps to view installed applications. Find Recorder in the app list and tap it to open app details. Revoke microphone permission to stop audio capture immediately and permanently block background access. Then tap Force Stop to halt current processes and services. Finally, disable Auto Start to prevent the recorder from restarting after reboot or app updates. First, open Settings and go to Permissions for the Recorder app. Revoke microphone and storage permissions to prevent recording and file access. Next, open Battery Settings or Auto Start Controls and disable Auto Start for Recorder to stop automatic launches. Enable Battery Optimization for Recorder to restrict background activity and conserve power. Clear cache and app data if lingering recordings or processes remain after permissions change. These steps stop most app-initiated recordings without If recorder persists, reboot into safe mode to test background behavior for about 10 seconds. In safe mode, third-party auto starts are blocked, and you can check whether recorder still runs. If recorder is a user-installed app, uninstall it or uninstall updates from app info to revert to factory package. For deeper control, enable USB debugging and use ADB commands only if you understand risks. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset, which typically takes 10 to 15 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.